Is this thing on?
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when they're
What is it?
It's cookies.
It's Frost and Sparkle. And they bought you guys 2 Funfetti kits. One looks like a sugar cookie mix kit right here with peppermint candy cane sprinkles. And the other kit is hot cocoa mixed cookies. Ooh.
Thank you, Elves.
Look, and they created it.
Yeah.
Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. Hey y'all, so I'm headed out to go and pick up a seafood boil order for me and Chuck. We have not done this in a very long time, but we both have promo codes to use, so that's a plus. So I got a seafood boil where it is, I think, 1 pound of crab legs, and then of course like the potato, shrimp, corn, and all of that good stuff. So y'all, I did my hair yesterday in 2 braids. So I'm trying to keep my hair more healthy, and just like I said, with just some more like you know, just healthier hairstyles, and just trying to keep it done. So I use Sulfur 8, you know, like to grease my scalp with so it won't itch. And then of course I used some castor oil, coconut castor oil, for the ends and stuff like that. So glad that that is done.
We still good. Who knew it'd be like this?
I'm deciding to do 4 different vlogs where it's like a weekly vlog. This is basically gonna take you guys behind the scenes of how I'm doing Vlogmas, and it's really cool. It's just so like you guys have an idea of like how to do it next year if you didn't do it this year, or if you are looking for some more tips on how to get better with Vlogmas, you definitely got to stay tuned. But today is the next day. I'm reheating up my seafood boil. I ate 3/4 of it yesterday, so I'm gonna try to finish that today as I don't waste any food. At least I try not to. So later we'll have chicken tenderloins. I just said that kind of country. Later we'll have chicken tenderloins with just some leftover like mac and cheese, greens, green beans, mashed potatoes. That way we're not letting like our Thanksgiving food go to waste. So we're gonna do that, and then basically like just savor whatever for tomorrow, like pasta, broccoli, and who knows what else. But anyways, so this morning I got ready to decorate my bedroom. And, you know, I don't even know if I should be saying this. I gotta check my calendar. Okay, so I can say something. So this morning I got ready to try and decorate my room, or I should say my bedroom, like I wanted to the other day. You guys have checked out that vlog already, then you guys will know, you know, that I only was able to find one piece for my bedroom Christmas-wise to decorate with. But if you haven't, go ahead and check out all these other Christmas vlogs. So I'm telling you, these Vlogmas vlogs are just a way to help you in the future if you choose to do Vlogmas. I went to decorate this morning and I didn't realize that there were no sheets to it. So it comes with a decorative pillow, 2 shams, and then the comforter itself. Well, I really could have just pulled out the red and black plaid, but we just wanted something different, so I did put in an order this morning for black sheets to come in. So they'll come in Tuesday, and then I'll go ahead and put that together and all that good stuff. Oh, so it has been hectic trying to vlog. I am like batch recording. I'm also just using like whatever I have. So it's a daily vlogging, but I'm not filming it daily. So there's like, you know, things that I've had stored and created during Vlogtober and through the month of November. Hey y'all, so it is Monday afternoon, almost 4 o'clock. I've been home for a little while now. Behind the scenes wise today, I'm just making some banana zucchini bread muffins. Nothing interesting. Of course, still planning out for Vlogmas days 10 and above for this channel. I'm telling y'all, I'm trying to get my myself together. Like with Vlogtober, I had like the first 20 days planned before Vlogtober even popped up. I'm just not able to do that at the moment because I'm still trying to make sure that I pass my math class that I'm in. I just have one more. Yeah, y'all, that's the dealio with that. Like I said, I'll show y'all my muffins once they're done, but I need to go over here and turn this oven on, get ready to get my son off the bus, and relax myself for the evening. Had Jimmy John to lunch earlier, and I did a giant meal. So I got the chips, the drink, and then my sandwich. I got a giant, so the other half is gone. Pickle quartered, and then I also went and tried the sugar cookie frappuccino. Of course, as you can see, it's Debbie down, watered probably by now. It is what it is. But mixing up my sugar and bananas, and I'll sift in this mixture here, which is flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt and cinnamon. I'll also be adding in 2 eggs, and then I'll be adding in 1 cup of vegetable oil. Hey y'all, so I took my hair out this morning. I don't really like the fact that it looks like so short. it does look really, really short to me. So yeah, it's like 40, it was like 30, no, it's 29 degrees this morning. So I put on like my little Shein collared, I guess you could say it's like a turtleneck, cheetah shirt, sweater thing, yeah, whatever y'all. But it is now about 48 degrees and I'm just glad the sun's out. So. I'm heading back to work. I just got Taco Bell. I had got a Mexican pizza and a crunch wrap. Okay, so I am off of work and it's like 3 o'clock. I'm going home. I have an Amazon package waiting outside for me and I will show you guys what it is because I will be using it. For Vlogmas Day 7. Okay, so in a little bit, Sky will have a basketball assessment as I just signed her up yesterday for basketball. She's like, I really want to do it. So I paid $17. They have to do a skills assessment from what I'm looking at, and it's like all boys and girls registered have to be registered and do and attend a skills assessment tonight 6 to 7:30. So we shall see. Practices will begin the week of December 9th, and then the games will begin January 14th. So it's cool. I think they'll practice twice a week, so we'll see about that. And it's an all-girl team, like first grade, I think it's kindergarten, first grade, or co-ed, and then second, third, and fourth is not. So we shall see how this goes. Alright, so we're here to do the basketball. All right, so we're back in the car. It's 6:38, we're done. I'm gonna go and quickly pop over to Domino's to pick up my order. Like, do y'all see that? 20 degrees outside. I'm telling y'all, I do not, and I mean do not, want to get sick. I got a long sleeve shirt, and I also have on a hoodie and this gray jacket. My scarf, my gloves, my hat. Listen, whew. Nose red, pink, whatever. I can't take this. Okay, so I forgot to make a coffee this morning, so I'm stopping by Future Coffee to see what I can get. So this is how you enter, apparently. So it looks like this is all of their menu items. So it looks like they just operate out of this food truck. Okay, he just came up and asked me my order. I'm getting an egg and cheese on a croissant and a gingerbread latte extra sweet. Okay, so they made this old bank into Future Coffee drive-through. Weird, but very weird, but cool technique of, you know, getting themselves out there until I guess they can get a building. So I got an egg and cheese on a croissant, and then I also got the gingerbread latte. Let me just see if I can show you guys my actual drink, and I'll have to taste it once I get inside because apparently it is hot. So before I get ready to go back inside, they do have a members card. I think this was $1 to get, but basically like you get punches anytime you come. Today was Wednesday, so I got double punch Wednesday. Tomorrow is buy one get one half off of lattes, and Friday is free cookie Friday. Hey y'all, it is Thursday, hallelujah. So what I wanted to say was nothing. Yeah, I didn't vlog much once I got home yesterday because it was really nothing. What I did do yesterday was I watched this Christmas movie. I can never like get it right because I only watch it once a year, and then again sometimes probably twice because Charles likes it. But I'd be down off that movie. Like the way he went underneath that tractor trailer. If y'all haven't already, just go watch it. It's the family like laughable movie, Christmas movie at that. But anyways, and then I fixed the kids leftover pizza, yeah. And then I made the little mini beef tacos from Trader Joe's. And then I also made like my little chicken and sliders. They're like the little vegan chicken and sliders. And no, I'm not vegan. Sometimes I like to step outside the box and try different things. But anyways, today is Thursday for me. What I'm getting into really today is to go back to work from dropping Cam off at the bus. The kiddos have, what is it? They have parents coming in for like gratitude. So they're coming in to just like spend time with their kids, be, you know, happy, gracious, whatever, and whatever. So I'm gonna join Skies at 12, pop in for a few minutes. And of course ours is at 10:30. She tried to like balance it out so that parents can come and, you know, spend time with their kiddos during their lunch times, which is going to be treacherous. So I don't know if I'm going to end up ordering like some Chinese food over to the job because I didn't bring anything for lunch. But anyways, and then we have a staff meeting, and it is half off Thursday at Starbucks today. So I surely will be wanting to get me a good old iced drink probably after work, just because I don't want no hot coffee in the afternoon. So I'm just gonna go from there with that one. I don't know if it's been a full moon, if these kids just want to show their asses or what, but Lord, it has been a day. It's like you talking to the kids and they just like, what? You ain't heard what I said? So I'm gonna relax myself on that note. I have no idea what I really want to do this afternoon. I know I want to edit some more videos. I know I need to do some schoolwork, but at the same time I also know that this will be a really good time to head out to Trader Joe's and see all of the holiday things that they have out. But I'm just like, do I feel like paying for gas to go out to Trader Joe's? And then the money to spend. I don't. But I don't know. I thought a 4-pack of chicken breasts. I have to really figure out something really quickly what to do with these bad boys, because I have no idea like what it is I want to fix with them. I could do like a chicken noodle soup, but that means that I would have to get like the vegetables for that. I would have to also get like the noodles for it. Pinterest, here I come.